is how to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to load your Snapchat app. Once you are logged into your Snapchat account, now here you have to click on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Then from here I'm gonna select this camera roll option. Then from here I selected few snaps and then click on the hide icon at the bottom. Then click on the quick setup option and here you have to set your password and again enter your password. Now select this option and then click on the continue button. After clicking on the continue button, now my file has been created. Then click on the finish button. Now to view this file, I'm gonna click on the My Eyes Only option and here I'm gonna enter my password. After that, as you can see that this folder has been created successfully. So this is how you can use My Eyes Only on Snapchat.